Welcome guys to the Handy Retter. My name is Roland and I have here the brand new Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, and I will show you in this video how you can exchange the display. Let's go! First of all, I will show you what tools I will use in this video. So we need alcohol for opening the device. I will heat it up on this mat about 5 minutes on 70 degrees. Then we will need a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a tweezer, a thin metal piece, and a thin plastic card, let's say. So for the video I chose 80 degrees to be a little bit more faster. You can set up on this mat. This is a heating mat. You can work on this area. And you see this area is heating up. You can buy this mat as well in our online shop. We will heat it up now for around 4 minutes on 70 to 80, that's fine. And then we'll do the first step to open the back cover. We're using alcohol. I put some drops between the frame and the back cover, especially where I will enter with the plastic, with the metal piece. I go directly between back cover and the frame, lift it up a little bit, and then I will use, not to damage the color of the back cover, a small plastic card to go from behind. And now it's important as well to put some more alcohol on the plastic piece, on the plastic card, and now just go around, try to open it like this. For the next step, you will need a screwdriver and a tweezer. I will remove all the screws. And now we lift up the plastic top part. Here you find attached directly the earpiece. And that's the battery connector. In this step I'll show you how you can remove the battery. Heat up the device again in 70 degrees. You need some heat, I did it already. And then you can just pull on this stripe to remove the battery. Next step, we remove the motherboard. Be careful, you have the SIM tray, you need to take it out before. And we have a screw right here. Disconnect the two cables and then just lift up the board. So we have over here the selfie camera. Just unplug it like this. And on the back, two main cameras. On the next step, we're removing the screws on the bottom part. What we will find here is a double flex cable, and this one is connected on the display connector. So you see here the flex cable from the display. And be careful, you've attached here another screw. To take out the charging part. And the fingerprint. So if you want to exchange your display, you will get service packs or regional displays always like this. With a frame display, small parts are installed, so you need to disassemble those parts to exchange the display. And now you can use your new display and put all parts back. Fingerprint sensor. Okay, all screws are put back together, and now we are going to put back the back cover. I will align it on the bottom first, and then put it over the cameras, like this. Press it. Now I will heat it up again on 70 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes, and then I will press it again. You can use clamps as well, so the glue gets its strongest again to tie the back cover back to the frame. So we showed you how to change the display of your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. I hope you liked that video. If we could help you with this video, we would really be thankful if you hit the subscription button and support us. If you have questions about the repair, just write your questions below in the comments and we try to answer all of them. Then see you soon in the next video.